Wouldn't this world be great without people stealing other people's ideas? How can the blockchain help here? If you have an idea, you normally write it down and possibly share it with colleagues and prospective business partners to keep working on it or eventually even sell it. That's a perfectly normal course of action. But the problem remains, how can you protect this idea so you can prove that it originates from you? Normally, once you reach a certain milestone, you go to a notary-like service and let it witness the document. In a simplified form, you get a stamp or a certificate of authenticity and a description of what the notary witnessed. But how can a blockchain help here and simplify this so there is a public proof of ownership of certain information? If you're talking about digital documents, then the biggest blessing and curse is that they can be copied so easily. No matter how good we are trying to implement copy protection, it mostly comes down to courts and external professionals validating the authenticity of an original document. But how can this be achieved on the blockchain? By taking snapshots or so-called hashes of files and baking it into the blockchain. A hash is a non-reversible digital fingerprint of the contents of a file. It's like taking a photo of a building and maybe together with a calendar. You can't go back to the building from the picture, but you can prove that the building was there at a specific date. And now it's demo time. I'm going to show you a live working demo of how this is achieved on the blockchain. So what I'm going to show you here now is a working example of a notary, and I'm going to just show you what it does, and then I explain to you why I've chosen this style, and it's a very simplistic example. So the first thing is you're going to choose a file, and I'm going to choose this Word document here, and I'm going to write down this is the book draft for the Ethereum book. And I hit submit a new entry and my MetaMask will pop up. If you don't understand what is MetaMask, don't worry at this point. I hit confirm and then I have to wait a little bit until this transaction is confirmed. It will tell me here on the bottom that the transaction is confirmed. And once this is confirmed, I can also open MetaMask here and see when the transaction is confirmed. Then I can check if the file is already on the blockchain. Let's give it a couple of seconds. All right. And now I can see if this file is on the blockchain, and it will tell me, okay, the file was found and I uploaded at this time and I uploaded from this address. So that's my address here in MetaMask, which is bound to a private key. And there's also a comment. Now, why is this so important? It's a very simplistic functionality, but why is this so important? Now, the file that I uploaded, I actually didn't upload the file. I uploaded a hash of that file. What does it mean? A hash is a way to generate a string or a set of characters which are proving that I was in possession of the content behind that file. So I take the content of that file, I put it through a function, and at the end there comes out a hash. And this hash gets baked into the blockchain. Now this book.x file is the draft of the Ethereum book that I was writing, which is exactly containing a complete guide and walkthrough how to create this distributed application, setting up the development environments, and so on. You can find it on Amazon or you can find it on my website. Now, I distributed this Word file to editors, and these editors, they obviously had access to the contents of this book. So there's what they could have done in the worst case scenario is take either everything or parts of the content and publish it under their own name before I can actually publish it myself or have a proof somewhere. Now, what would happen if they publish it? I can write a DCMA takedown notice, I can write to Amazon, I can write to all of these publishers, and then I have to prove that I'm the original owner of the content. But how can I do this? There are several ways, and one of them is a notary. And a notary is nothing else than, in this case, witnessing that I was in possession of a specific content at a specific time. Now, is the hash changing once I change a little bit of the content? Obviously, yes. But if we take the final product, we take two texts which are very similar, almost the same, and then I go to court, and then I need to prove that I am in possession of the original text, which was maybe slightly changed, but it doesn't really matter because I can still prove that it originates from me. Then I can do this. Now, what happens if that person is going to upload the same file? It cannot, because it will tell immediately, it will give you an error that tells you you cannot upload this file. So if I hit sending transaction here, then it will give me an error in a second. So that's the whole point of a notary. And it's very, very easy on the blockchain. You can find the link to the course and the book where we are doing this from A to Z, really. From the very beginning, if you're a total beginner of blockchain development, then this course is really for you. It guides you through how to get the right development environment, what is a smart contract, how to write your first smart contract, how to write in Solidity, how to use Remix, how to install and use MetaMask, what are private keys, what are public keys, and so on, and how to throw errors, how to check information, how to write the JavaScript part, and so on. So this is all covered in the course, where you find the link below. Now that's all for this Ethereum session. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.